Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It is October 25th. We are going to be taking a look at AbbVie. It is a stock out of the healthcare sector. They are a pharmaceutical company. Let's jump right into the video. These are quick hitters trying to find some value in the market. A lot of green today. So this is one that was pulled back. AbbVie, I'm sure a lot of you know about them. They're pretty popular in the dividend investing community. Like I said, they are out of the healthcare sector. They are a pharmaceutical company. They've been around since 2013. Since our launch in 2013, we've invested $50 billion in research to discover, develop, and deliver new medicines. We target diseases with significant unmet need where we can improve the standard of care with innovative new therapies. We're constantly working to create solutions that go beyond treating the illness to have a positive impact on patients' lives, on societies, and on science itself. Today, our 50,000 employees around the world focus on discovering and delivering transformational medicines and products in several key therapeutic areas: immunology, oncology, neuroscience, eye care, virology, and women's health, as well as through our allergen aesthetics portfolio. So there's some of the areas they touch: immunology, oncology, neuroscience, eye care, virology, and women's health. So I don't think they're going anywhere as the population ages. A lot of these pharmaceutical companies are poised to do quite well going into the next, I would say, 10 to 20 years as the need for their products and services grow over time. If you want to know more about the company, check them out at www.abbvie.com. That is their homepage where I pulled this information from. And the reason we're taking a look at them today, they were down 0.71%. We are talking about AbbVie Inc, ticker ABBV, out of the healthcare sector. Closed out the day, October 25th, at $149.82. 52-week range as low as $108, as high as $175.91. So kind of floating in the middle between their 52-week low and 52-week high. Average volume is 5.4 million. Looks like they were down a little bit on the day, 4.9. Market cap of 264.897 billion, a beta of 0.65, so they are less volatile than the overall market. PE ratio is a little high, and for my taste anyway, 21.19. Earnings per share is $7.07. Next earning date is coming up on October 28th. So if you own them, I would check that out. And forward dividend is $5.64 paid out on the year. They do pay out quarterly, so divide by 4. That'll tell you their payout. And they have a nice dividend yield of 3.74%. Ex-dividend date just passed on October 13th. And their one-year target, at least according to Yahoo Finance, is $158.66 per share. So speaks to some potential upside price appreciation here. Let's jump over to stockanalysis.com, another site I like to take a look at, not affiliated. And the 31 stock analysts they have had take a look at this call it a consensus buy. They have a low estimate of $136.35, which would be an 8.99% decline. And to be honest, I would love to see it decline further. I might be interested if it continued to drop down, got back into a more respectable PE under 18 maybe. Average estimate is $161.64, which would be a 7.89% increase in stock price. And if it happened to hit their high, $210, which seems a bit high to me, but you never know, hit their high of $210, that would be a 40.17% increase in stock price. All the while you were waiting for this, you could collect that 3.7% dividend. AbbVie is like I said, very well respected in the dividend growth community, dividend investing community. I know a lot of people like it. I do too at the right price. Let's jump over and look at my position in AbbVie. I don't have one. I'm not a holder of AbbVie. It is not in my portfolio yet. Again, waiting for the right time to buy it. I would love it if it dropped, like I said, down into the 52-week low or even set a new 52-week low. But we'll see. Looks like stocks over the last few days have been on a bit of a rise. A lot of green in my portfolio heading into the next Fed meeting. I expect the Fed to raise rates again, and I expect a drop after that. So we will see. This may be one of those cases of buy the news or buy the rumor, sell the news type of a situation here. I think some people still think the Fed is going to hold or change course and start dropping rates even. I don't think that's how it's going to happen. I think we're going to be raising rates into the near future, into the next year, until inflation comes down significantly. So we'll see what the Fed does. We're in earnings time period as well. A lot of big companies reporting earnings, so mixed bag so far. Some are doing all right, some are doing bad, starting to feel the pinch of the economic downturn that we are in. And again, I think this one may be a protracted, long downturn, but we will see. A lot of the big time investors that I follow, Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, those guys are talking about potentially a 10-year bear market, or at least 10 years of pretty low returns here, so we'll see how it shakes out. Never know in the stock market what happens. We could go on a 10-year bull run. You just never know. Well, let me know down in the comments what you think of AbbVie. Again, it's not in my portfolio, but if it is in yours, how have your returns been? How do you like the company? As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. Hopefully, you are on your own journey as well. Like I said, drop a comment down below. Let me think of the video. Let me know what you think of AbbVie or any other pharmaceutical companies that you might suggest that you hold or that you have been doing research on. Love to hear that. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. With that said, this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Hope you're having a great week. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion. Investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.